So in this video, we will be discussing how to solve a quadratic equation using a quadratic formula. So we have a given quadratic equation 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. And we're going to find the value of x again with using quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? So it is x equals a negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what are those a, b, and c in our quadratic equation? So the a is the numerical coefficient of x squared. The b is the numerical coefficient of x, which is in this case, the a is 3, the b is negative 2, while the c is the constant. So in this case, our c is negative 5. So we're going to replace the a with 3 in our formula, or the positive 3. The b will be replaced with negative 2. And the c will be replaced by negative 5. Next is we're going to solve first negative b, which is negative of negative 2. So it will become positive 2. Then we're going to solve the negative b, the b squared, which is negative 2 squared. So the square of negative 2 is positive 4. Then we will multiply all these, the three values, negative 4 times 3 times negative 5. It will become positive 60. Then we will multiply 2 times 3 at the bottom. It will become 6. Then we'll combine the one inside the square root, which is 4 plus 60. So it will be 64. So we end up with 2 plus minus square root of 64 all over 6. Then we will get the square root of 64, which is 8. So we have 2 plus minus 8 all over 6. Now, as you can see, it is plus minus. That means there are two possible answers. We're going to separate it into two with the plus and with the minus. So we will name the first answer with x sub 1. And we're going to use a plus symbol for the x sub 1. And for the x sub 2, we're going to use a minus sign. So it's going to be different answers because the first one is 2 plus 8 and the second one is 2 minus 8. So we're going to solve first the x sub 1. So 2 plus 8 is 10 and then copy 6. Then we can reduce it, divide both numerator and denominator by 2. It will become 5/3. And then we're going to change the improper fraction to mixed form, which will be 1 and 2/3. And that is the first value of x. Now let's solve the second value of x. So 2 minus 8, it will be negative 6, and then copy 6 at the bottom. Then divide negative 6 by 6, which is equal to negative 1. So the roots or the values of x for the given quadratic equation is 1 and 2/3 and negative 1. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.